Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.
In a cubic lattice, A atoms occupy the corners except two positions. B atoms occupy all the face centers except one position, and C atoms occupy the alternate edge centers. The simplest formula will be option A, A3, B5, C4, option B, A4, B10, C3, option C, A4, B10, C4, and option D, A3, B10, C4. The correct answer is option D, A3, B10, C4. In a cubic lattice, total number of corners is equal to 8. Total number of faces is equal to 6. And total number of edges is equal to 8. In a corner is equal to 1 by 8 portion of an atom. In a face is equal to 1 by 2 portion of an atom, and in an edge is equal to 1 by 4 portion of an atom are present. Here two corners are missing. Therefore, number of atoms A present at corners is equal to 6 into 1 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. Here one face is missing. Therefore, number of atoms B present at faces is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. And number of atoms C present at the alternate edges is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Hence, A is to B is to C is equal to 3 by 4 is to 5 by 2 is to 1 is equal to 3 is to 10 is to 4. So, correct answer is option D, A3, B10, C4. Thank you for watching.